guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max 1 Cactus Jack. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Let's go. So today we've got a look at probably the most hyped sneaker of 2022. This was meant to come out last year. Behind all the animosity and all the grief that happened during the Astroworld incident, has there been a kind of tainting on Travis Scott's name? We'll find out, and we want to hear from you guys as well. So before we get unboxing, I just want to show you the box. So it has Cactus Corporation here. It's brand new. It's in this brown box, and you know, it's got the Cactus Corporation logo right here. The Nike logo can be found at the side. It's a brand new box for an Air Max 1. So we've got this Nike Air Max 1 Cactus Jack, or the Travis Scott Air Max 1s, in the Baroque Brown Lemon Drop wheat colorway, and we got this in UK size 7.5, it's European 42, it's US men's 8.5. Let's get opening. Here they are. Look at this. Very unique, different take on the beloved Air Max 1. And let's run through all the details as we go along. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see the Air Max 1 DNA that's ingrained here all around. You can see that waffle print. There's little bits of, it looks like veins to me here, with tree branches. You can see it just beneath the lugs of the waffle, and instead of a Nike logo, you've got the Cactus Corporation right there, and it's in this brown rubber color outsole. Moving on to the midsole, so it does look a bit different to the normal Air Max 1 midsoles. Obviously you can see the exposed air unit bubble that's usually there on the heel. However, I really did think they just took that away, and upon seeing pictures beforehand, we got this in our hands today, it looks like they just forgot it and put like a little block there. However, it is just painted over in this lemon yellow colorway. That's the sneaker, the box says right there. And just above it, you can see the dark brown paint as well. So this is obviously a polyurethane foam midsole unit, but with a painted Air Max bubble there. The upper, again, you've got the Travis Scott signature reverse swoosh. You can find that on the lateral side of the sneaker. And what's different is I really thought that it was going to be part of the mesh that's underneath. It is beads. So this swoosh is beaded on both sides, the medial and the lateral side there. Essentially, the mudguard is the only piece that looks like it's an Air Max 1, along with the midsole unit. And you got that mudguard cut, and it's in this brown suede, brown nubuck, sorry. Just underneath this, you got a cream or lemon mesh that's underneath, and where the lace panels are, you got tonal lemon lace panel there. Another good different, how can I say this, aspect or unique selling point that the sneaker has is this lace strap. So this lace strap starts here, goes underneath the nubuck panel here, and it goes all the way around to the medial sides. You can see it right there, and it just weaves its way around the sneaker, as you can see it here. The lacing system is quite different. It's rope laces, but it's in a fast rope lace system. It's kind of like the Air Max 95, and you can also have it in brown laces if you're not a fan of this red and white. So it's brown laces for you. Tongue, nicely padded, all you want in an Air Max 1. And you can see the Cactus Corporation on the tongue there. The tongue itself, it's got a nubuck outer, foam insole as well, nicely padded along the ankle collar for your support. At the heel, so the heel's two different, so it looks like it's red flags right there. So you've got the Nike and the Nike swoosh logo here, and you've got the Cactus Jack logo right there on the right hand side. The the inside of the sneaker. So you got two kind of different ones going along, mimicking the flags on the outside of the heel. So you've got the Nike Air on the right and the insole, and you got the Cactus Jack on the left. So that rounds off my review. On the time of this recording, so we are recording this on the release date. So this is the 27th of May, and these have dropped. We were able to get a pair, so we were just blessed and thankful that we've got a pair to review for you guys. The topic of debate that I just want to throw out there is that with all the talk of Travis Scott, after the whole Astroworld incident, I don't think that's tainted his name in regards to sneakers at all. This continues to be a hyped collaboration between Nike and Travis Scott, because this morning on the sneakers app, couldn't get a pair, obviously I lost out there, and they just sold out everywhere in other retailers, and it doesn't seem like it's affected his sales or his image. Probably it's affected his public image to other people. However, sneakerheads themselves continue to buy his products. I mean, I'm one of them. This is really different and very unique in regards to detailing. It's a different take on an Air Max 1. It's one of the greatest silhouettes that Nike have ever made. How you feel about Travis Scott, whether you hate him or you love him, he's got an obvious weight when it comes to his sneakers, and I don't think that's going to be slowing down anytime soon. Let us know what you guys think. Do you think that is Travis Scott and his sneakers are going to continue to sell out, or do you think that this is just another spoke in the wheel? All that said, I'm really excited to try these on, show you what they look like on, and yeah, roll that footage of me trying these Cactus Jack Air Max 1s on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I probably would go half a size up. These are quite tight on my feet. I usually do get a 7.5 when it comes to Nike sneakers. Of course, if you are familiar with our Air Max 1 reviews, check that out. We've done the pattern ones. Those pattern ones, I feel like those were the right size. However, these, they feel a bit tight. Maybe it's the lace construction, the way that the lace is set up. This feels a bit narrow and it feels a bit tight on the top of my feet and a bit tight at my heel. But that's just me, guys. Maybe you like that snug fit. I personally do like it, but this isn't one of those times. They look really cool on, don't get me wrong. They look dope. I kind of understand that the unique features, the difference that differentiates this between a normal Air Max 1 and what makes it the Travis Scott ones, obviously like the reverse swoosh that you can see here, the cuts, the way that the paneling is a bit different. I'm here for it, you know, but did it just sell out because Travis Scott is a juggernaut at the minute, regardless of the whole Astroworld incident? I don't know. I just know that these sold out this morning. Lucky enough to get a pair to review for you guys. So yeah, that's all I've got to say. Drop some love in the comment section below and we'll give you that 360. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.